in addition to being a more compact and reasonably priced replacement for the well-liked Atto 3. The 2026 BYD Atto 2 is a brilliant strategic move. The unrivaled e-Platform 3.0 and Blade battery, two components of BYD's premium model, have been condensed into a small and smart city package that might make all other entry-level electric vehicles appear overpriced and lacking in features. You can now own a high-tech, stylish electric SUV without breaking the bank thanks to this car. Not only is Atto 3 one of a kind, but Atto 2 is also incredibly attractive. Combining aggressive crossover styling cues with aerodynamic efficiency, it embraces a more refined rendition of BYD's Dragon Face design language. The floating roof design and minimal overhang provide a sporty, forward-leaning posture. Its semi-rough bumper and sturdy paneling indicate its readiness for the concrete jungle, while the flushed door handle brings a dash of high-end aerodynamic style. An impressive full-width LED taillight bar spins in a Mobius strip pattern, dominating the rear and giving the car a futuristic appearance at night that belies its affordable price. Cabin is an exemplar of value maximization. Once inside, your budget worries will melt away. The digital experience it provides is on par with that of a vehicle that costs twice as much. The round 12.8-inch touchscreen, a hallmark of BYD vehicles, takes center stage on the dashboard. It runs on a snappy, responsive interface that would embarrass old-school automakers, and with a single tap, you can switch between portrait and landscape. Great for filming and media. An ideal combination of digital and analog, the center console has a jewel-like crystal gear selector encircled by tactile physical buttons for important driving functions. A huge panoramic glass canopy lets in plenty of natural light, creating the illusion of a more open and airy cabin. And the vegan leather sports chairs, adorned with quilting accents, provide real comfort for those long flights. The Atto 2's unique e-Platform 3.0 employs CTB technology, which transforms the battery from a simple gasoline tank into an integral component of the vehicle's framework. If you're looking for a long-lasting, almost fireproof battery, go no further than BYD's Blade LFP battery, which comes in 32 kWh and 45.1 kW packages. Atto 2's 300-400 km range is ideal for weekend getaways. You won't lose range just because the temperature drops because it has an efficient heat pump technology, which is common in many markets. Atto 2 became a portable power station with the use of vehicle-to-load technology. From your car, you can charge additional electric vehicles, attach a coffee maker, or even use it as a laptop charger. Atto 2 feels lively and nimble because to its significantly reduced weight compared to its elder siblings. Accelerating from 0 to 100 km/h takes an admirable 7.9 seconds thanks to the 130 kW engine that comes standard on this compact SUV.